Welcome to 7th grade math, small group special education with Mrs. Gonzalez. I'm Mrs. Gonzalez, and this is my 18th year teaching at James Monroe Middle School. I have both a bachelor's and master's degree in special education, and I enjoy hanging out with my family and hitting the gym. We are fortunate to have two educational assistants in math class, Mrs. Lopez and Miss Amy. They both help to run center rotations and work with students during whole group instruction. James Monroe Middle School has a summative math goal. In alignment with the long-term goal to reduce the rate of non-proficiency by half over 10 years, the percentage of students at James Monroe Middle School earning a score of proficient or higher in mathematics as measured by NMSSA will increase between 3.5 and 4 percentage points depending on the grade level, from the 2023-2024 school year to the 2024-2025 school year. Critical actions to do this are that all math teachers will utilize high-quality instructional materials, all content teachers will implement algebraic thinking strategies, and we use IXL as a Tier 2 intervention for all students. Math class begins with Dear Reading Time. This is silent and independent reading for 10 minutes at the beginning of math class. It is a school-wide initiative. Students are able to choose books to read from the class library, or they can select one during our library time once a month. Students are rewarded with stamps for reading during this time. Stamps are earned daily from all 3 teachers for positive behaviors in the classroom. Students are able to redeem their stamps each week in the prize door. We began the year by taking the iReady Math Diagnostic Assessment. This test gives baseline data so we know how much students improved their mathematical skills over the school year. Students graphed and filled out a form about their iReady diagnostic goals and growth for math. We start the math period by completing a bell work packet together. We have started to study geometry, and students are learning how to calculate parameter. We are able to practice parameter and many other math skills through quizzes games that students really enjoy completing. After bell work and quizzes math practice games, students move to small group rotations. Students are able to complete tangrams and shape IQs on Fridays at My Math Station. The independent workstation gives students practice in their mathematical skills. Most days of the week, students are working on a measurement packet at My Small Group Rotation. Students are able to receive one-to-one help at all stations. Students are brushing up on their basic multiplication and division skills at Miss Lopez's math station. They are also graphing their results. Thank you for coming to Open House, and please consider donating tissue boxes as we have many runny noses throughout the school year.